Boy's a magnet to my life, is what he is. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be trying something I am so excited to try, and it is magnetic lashes. Everywhere I go, there's always someone who asks me if I have tried them, if I've heard about them, what they are, if they work, la da da da. So I thought I would make a video on them. A Canadian company from Calgary called TOK Beauty or Talk Beauty, I've heard it both ways, I don't really know. They reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try a pair of magnetic lashes, and obviously it was a yes. These lashes have been seen on CTV, on iHeartRadio, on The Social, and on eTalk. So they've got a little bit of an audience here. This video is not sponsored, I just needed to try magnetic lashes. Like, what? So a pair of the It Takes Two magnetic false lashes comes in this beautiful box right here, and it retails for $79.99 Canadian. These are 100% handmade lashes, and they are made out of silk. The idea of this is there's 3 magnetic strips on each lash, so the top and the bottom lash, and you're supposed to sandwich them together in between your lashes. There are no toxins in here, and you don't use any glue, so it's really like saving the integrity of your natural lashes. I know for me personally, whenever I do wear false lashes with glue, whenever I peel them off, no matter how carefully I peel them off, there will always be a couple little hairs in there that are my eyelashes that I can see that have ripped out. The style I'm going to be trying today is the classic lash. The idea of this is an affordable alternative to also having lash extensions as well, which when I first heard about magnetic lashes, I thought of my mom, to be honest with you. Whenever I go over to my mom's place, my mom is 61, and whenever I go over, she always wants false lashes on. She cannot apply them herself because she needs glasses, and when she takes the glasses off, she just can't maneuver it. So I thought this might be a really amazing alternative to someone with eye issues, or someone who just simply cannot apply false lashes by themselves, which we all know, even when I was 14, just like applying with the glue, just like a mess. With false lashes, some false lashes, like say for velour lashes, you can get like 20 wears or so out of them. This company has not put a specific claim on how many wears you can get out of them, because it all depends on how well you actually handle the lashes, because they are 100% silk, they are very delicate, so you need to handle them with care. That being said, it is a magnet, and magnets, I mean, maybe they do wear out over time, but I mean, you're not probably gonna have these for like a decade. So now the fun part, let's apply them. I've never been more excited to try a new lash product in my entire life. I cannot wait for these. My eyelashes are completely bare. I do a full face, but nothing on my eyelashes. I'm gonna quickly curl them and apply a little bit of mascara. I'm gonna be using the Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara because I find this to give the lashes the most natural look. Like, it's the most natural looking mascara out there. Boy's a magnet to my life, is what he is. Boy, 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 oh boy, 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 oh boy, 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 boy. My understanding with magnetic lashes is there are 2 ways you can apply these. You can apply them straight with your fingers, or there's also an applicator that you can purchase as well. And this just looks like an eyelash applicator. But what's special about this is the ends are actually magnetic. So I'm going to be trying it both ways to see what is easier, and I'm going to start with doing it with my fingers. On the website, there are a couple of videos showing you how to apply them. So I watched them, got some information. I think I could probably do this now. So what we're gonna do is grab our top right lash here, and you're supposed to be very careful and very gentle with it. And she says to kind of bend it a wee bit so it holds like more round shape. And you're supposed to just pop it right on top of your lash line right there. Then you take the bottom, look way up, or open your eye way up, and just pop it right under so it magnetizes. Oh, it's going. Okay, oh, it's on. And already it feels really secure. So I think it's a little, maybe a little wonky on my eye here. Let me just, oh, I pulled it off. Okay, hold on. Ah. It's not all the way to the lash line, and for me that's not okay. So let's try it using the applicator. So what we're supposed to do with this is take the top lash and magnetize it in here, so then the little magnet strips are on the bottom of it there. And same thing with the bottom lash. Pop it in here, so then the magnetic strips are facing one another. And it says you should just be able to hug your lash and push down. Oh, that was a lot easier. Yeah, wow, that was easier. Was it to my lash line? It's a little bit closer to my lash line, but it's not. Let me try again. What I've done is place the magnetic strips kind of past the actual applicator. I think that's going to give me a closer and more precise application. So that is as close to the lash line as I think I'm gonna get. It's pretty close, and now I'm just gonna kind of play with it a bit, just kind of push it up. Cool! Oh my god, I have a magnetic eyelash on. Okay, wow, I have one of the eyelashes on, and I can noticeably see that my lash line looks a little bit darker. These aren't the most bold lash, they're a very natural lash, and it was relatively easy to put on. I think that you do need the applicator though. Doing it with my fingers especially, and I have huge man hands, is just like too much for me. Maybe if you have more dainty hands it might be a little easier. So now let's get the second one on. So again, I'm just gonna bend the top lash so it's not super straight. I think that is what makes it easier when you're trying to apply it close to the lash line as well. So now let's pop her on. Oh, upside down. Okay, so they're both applied, and you know what? I don't mind the look of them. I put a pretty bold look on my eye today, so I feel like my eye could have handled a little bit of a bolder lash. But I think just for, you know, generally like a beautiful, like pretty look, even like a bridal look, these lashes will be really gorgeous. One thing I will say about these is, okay, I think they're really quick, really easy. I mean, a magnetic lash, I never would have thought of that, and it's literally amazing. One thing though is the silk is super, like it has a nice vinyl finish to it, and they feel amazing. But because it does have that vinyl finish, when I look down, I could almost see where the lash actually sits, and if it's not exactly on my lash line, that's just like an OCD thing with me. It just needs to be up on the lash line. So I think I would take like a black, like a matte black eyeshadow and just matte that out, just so you cannot see that as much. But overall, I think these are actually super dope. Holy crap, who would have thought? Goddamn magnetic lashes, you guys. I don't even know. We have a boy here now. So I will also mention, I do think you do absolutely need the applicator. Me applying it with my fingers, it was just too much for me. And I guess it's kind of like how I always apply lashes with tweezers. This is kind of the same idea. As far as them holding on, I mean, it's a magnet on your eye. They are very secure. Even when I clamp them down on my lash, you can just hear the magnet kind of snap together. And I know that they're not going to go anywhere on my eyes. I'm really not worried about that. They're pretty secure. I had so much fun today trying out these magnetic lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any other requests for me to try any crazy beauty products, let me know in the comments down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.